Before you view our video, please take a moment to subscribe our channel by clicking subscribe button, then tapping the bell so you will be the first to know our new video. A cough is a reflex action to clear your airways of mucus and irritants. Cough can be often linger for weeks after the initial infection has died down. Honey can be used to treat day and nighttime dry coughing. Honey can help to coat the throat, alleviating irritation. You can use honey in tea or warm water. You can also try taking honey by the teaspoon several times daily. Turmeric contains curcumin. Anti-inflammatory, antiviral and antibacterial properties of curcumin can be used to treat cough. You can add 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper into a warm tea. Marshmallow root is a type of herbs. It's used in cough syrup to treat dry cough. It is an effective treatment for soothing the throat and reducing the irritation caused by dry cough. Ginger has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties and can relieve pain and discomfort. You can make ginger tea from ginger root. Adding honey may make it even more beneficial for dry coughing. Capsaicin, a compound found in chili peppers to reduce chronic coughing. If you have chronic cough, you can use capsaicin. You can make a tea from canned pepper, hot sauce, and warm water. Native Americans traditionally use slippery elm bark to treat coughing. Slippery elm contains a high level of mucilage, which helps to soothe a sore throat and cough. Use of them is a common remedy for cough and bronchitis. You can make them tea with honey. It will boost your immunity. In South Asia, Masala Chai Tea is used to treat conditions such as sore throat and dry cough. Masala chai contains several antioxidant and anti-inflammatory ingredients. You can make masala tea by taking cloves, cinnamon, and cardamom. Bromelain is an enzyme that is found in pineapple. Bromelain has mucolytic properties, which means that it can break down mucus and remove it from the body. So, bromelain is an effective home remedy for coughing. Rosehip is a rich source of vitamin C. You can try rosehip tea or a rosehip supplement. It will give you the boost you need to get rid of cough. Mullein traditionally used to ease cough and inflammation. You can make mullein tea using mullein's dried root. Peppermints contain methanol, which helps to numb nerve endings in the throat that become irritated by coughing. You can use peppermint tea. It will reduce coughing.